In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Docusign plan. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you step by step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. Whether you're looking to switch services or simply don't need Docusign anymore, following these instructions will help you through the cancellation process in just a few minutes. First, let's start by navigating to the Docusign homepage. Open your browser and type in www.docusign.com. This will take you to their main page, the gateway to cancelling your plan. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to protect your account credentials and provide a secure experience. Once you're there, take a moment to look around. It helps to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll find a button labeled Log In. Click on this button to proceed. This step requires your login credentials, so if you have them saved in your browser, you're good to go. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your username and password. Logging in will take you to the home screen of your Docusign account, where all the important features and settings can be accessed. Once logged in, the next step is to go to the Docusign home. This action might sound repetitive, but it's key in navigating through the correct sequence. You're looking to access the account management features, so make sure you're on the right home screen. After reaching the home page, it's time to proceed to the admin settings. This is achieved by finding and clicking on an option labeled Admin. This is typically found in the main navigation panel or a drop-down menu. Clicking on it will transition you to the admin dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll find the tools necessary for managing your account and services. On the admin dashboard, search for the plan and billing section. This section contains all the financial details related to your account, including billing cycles, payment methods, and of course, plan cancellation options. Click on this to continue. Now that you're in the right area, look for the plan and billing button once more. Clicking it will lead you to the detailed plan settings. Here you'll find options to modify or cancel your plan. Review the information provided to ensure you know the ramifications of cancelling, such as losing access to premium features or any potential charges if you're mid-cycle on billing. And that's it, you've successfully navigated to the right area to cancel your Docusign plan. Ensure you've read any confirmations or notices that appear confirming your cancellation request. Be sure to save any necessary documents associated with your account prior to cancelling, as access may be restricted once this process is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.